Let's enter the quiet in our heart, the still silent place where there's peace and hope and love and joy. The quiet place where our inner guide comes, where we listen deeply, where that sense of it's always going to be okay. Do not look to the outer world, look to the inner. It's always okay. It's kind of the definition of optimism, isn't it? There was a song many years ago called "Color My World." As time goes by, I realize just what you mean to me. And now that you're here, promise your love that I've waited to share in dreams of our moments together. Color my world with hopes of loving you. As time goes by, the love between us deepens because we recognize in each other. As time goes by, we recognize the beauty that surrounds us. We recognize the beauty that is in us. As time goes by, we see the outside world, and instead of fear, instead of anxiety, instead of hopelessness, instead our optimism bubbles up. It bubbles up, and it says, "Be ye not afraid. Have hope. We are here together. We are here as one." And that is something to have hope for, something to be optimistic about. As time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. And as you breathe in a deep cleansing breath, and as you breathe out, release any fear, any anxiety, any tension. Know that in you is that peace, that hope, that optimism, and let it bubble up. And so it is.